Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert an audio file into your spreadsheet on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the numbers application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the numbers application which I see on screen. Click on this. Let's just wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, go to File, go to Open. This should take us directly to the desktop. Go to Work.Numbers, click on Open. And there we have the spreadsheet on screen. So now what we will do is go to the top navigation menu, click on Media. The purpose of this tutorial is to record an audio file. If I were to now click on this, it brings me this small screen on screen that allows me to record audio. So let's click on the red button. Computer Science Videos Trial. Stop. And now we can preview. Computer Science Videos Trial. Stop. We can then insert this if we need to, and this will give us a play button. I can drag and drop this towards the title of the spreadsheet, and now if I click on this, Computer Science Videos, you get the idea. So Command S to save. And that's how you add a voice recording to your spreadsheet on the numbers application. So we can now quit numbers. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.